Why you sign up for this? Ayo.
I thought I was gonna bungee jump.
Ew! What the f? There's no way to avoid this! Ah!
At the Travel Intern, we're all about quenching that thirst for an epic adventure. Even right here in Singapore, we continue to look for new adventures and hidden gems around this island. Abandoned places are not somewhere that we often see in Singapore, but it is every urban explorer's dream to uncover the little known and secrets of a city. We recently joined the Travel Intern, and our boss man decided to send us on our first adventure, Marsiling Tunnels. Making sure that we got all the equipment we need, we met up with our guide Scott from Beyond Expeditions at Woodlands Waterfront Car Park. After finding our ways around the forest, avoiding the deadfall ants for about 15 minutes, we finally reached the first of the 2 abandoned places for the day, a storage facility which is supposedly a warm-up for the abandoned tunnel.
Alright man, see you man.
I hit my head!
It's going for you.
Fucking duck! Why fucking duck? Sorry. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is so bad! Oh my god! Ow!
This place really tested our limits. Tight spaces, creepy crawlies, things that we're not comfortable of. But it was just a warm-up for the main attraction. The worst had yet to come.
Now we are going to the second entrance. So just now was the north entrance. Now we're going to the south entrance, which is the more rabak one. So
Can you see the defeat in my face? Okay, so you can see the entrance there. This was actually built in 1942 by the British, and it was being used for their Royal Air Force, also to hold fuel, and now it's just abandoned. Oh my god, look at what horror awaits us!
honestly it's quite a lot to take in because it's quite muddy as you can tell, but I think it's quite cool because you don't see it like this side in Singapore.
We ventured into a pitch black tunnel, had our feet stuck in the mud, and we were trying so hard to maneuver across the shin-deep muddy water. In fact, everything was okay once we embraced and got adjusted to the darkness and the mud.
So just soaking in all the rust and the mud, get nice skin.
It wasn't recorded. Okay, now I start. Okay. What did you just do?
That's assignment like that already. We just climbed up a small enclosed tunnel.
So to show how enclosed this place is the entire area. Yeah. So
We initially thought this place was gonna be kind of meh, but after actually venturing into a tunnel with such history, we realized it's not like any of your usual hikes around Singapore. It's wild, it's dark, you never know what's up ahead of you literally. But I think that's the whole point, exploring these hidden gems in Singapore that you will never know existed. It is not every day we'll get to explore a World War II relic in a country that's moving so quickly. So I thought the experience was really surreal and memorable. So is the post-cleaning.
with it, things you don't see. BTS.
Last but not least, adventure is out there waiting for you to experience. So go out there and explore. If you like what you see, stay tuned for more adventure with us.
Bye!
So Billy, how do you feel about your first trip?
Really wet ass. Check that out, guys.
I mean, all for the content, right? I did not sign up for this.